The way you dress can make a big impact on the success of a rich dinner date. Dressing well shows that you respect the occasion and the person you are dining with, sets a sophisticated tone for the evening, and can boost your confidence and comfort. First impressions are important, and dressing appropriately can make all the difference in creating a memorable and enjoyable experience. Whether it's a formal or semi-formal event, taking the time to dress well can pay off in making a lasting impression.